Hello, here we are now in the 3D printing production at IGUS, and today we want to test what's the difference of the wear resistance of a regular printing material and our IGUS 3D printing material. The white material is the Eclidor material, iGlide i150 with solid lubricants inside, and the gray material is a standard printing material like PLA. Okay, the test is now finished. Let's look to it. This is the PLA. It stopped because the friction was just too high. And we also see there's already lots of wear here. And now the iGlide i150, it runs all the time and there was no wear visible yet. So this is again an example that we have 3D printing materials which are up to 50 times better in the wear resistance than regular 3D printing materials, so that we can print all kinds of wear parts like bearings, gears, lead screw nuts, or all other wear parts where wear and friction matters.